Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I went to the store and bought some mason jars. These are a 12 count of half pint mason jars. I went ahead and got some lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, ranch, mini cucumbers, and carrots. I'm going to be making salads in a mason jar, so I wanted to show you guys just a quick idea that you guys can make ahead of time, especially for work, if you guys only have 30 minutes, especially also if you guys only have like a quick, little break that you're taking for that day and you need something simple to take or make for work. So I decided that I wanted to make some little mini salad in a mason jar because I will be going back to work, and I wanted to make these for my pre-service week. We will have about an hour and 30 minutes, but I wanted to take something that's going to just be really simple and easy to eat and won't take a long time. So during pre-service week, I definitely will be starting back up in school. So this semester I will be taking 2 more educational classes. So I wanted to save all of my time at work that I have downtime wise for creating my assignments and doing what I'm supposed to do and make sure I'm doing the readings and stuff like that. So I decided that this salad would be the best thing for me. I went ahead and washed the salad off and crumbled it up, and I also took out the parts that were really chunky because they're not going to be able to fit down into the mason jars. So I did go ahead and, like I said, rinse it off really good, make sure that it was dry, and I threw the extra pieces away. In these mason jars, like I said, they're half pint. They are not the bigger ones, they are the smaller ones. So I just wanted to make little small salads for these mason jars that are going to allow, me to eat it in my time frame. So with my change in position this year, it's no telling what time I will go to lunch. It's also no telling what time I'll be able to eat. So I just decided to make these, and I hope that you guys enjoy these. As you guys can see on the screen, it's just going to show you the things that I put into my salad, just so that I can fit everything in there. I did cut things up a little bit more, and I did throw out the pieces that had black or brown on them. As far as the carrots, I chopped the tomatoes in half, and I also cut the cucumbers up. So stay tuned to see how the ending result of these mini salad in a mason jar turned out. And this is the part where I started opening up the mason jars after washing them and allowing them to dry overnight. I wanted to just go ahead and show you all how I layered mine. Definitely you can do any salad in this mason jar. I'm just choosing the one that I like the most, and I did put some crispy onions on the side because that's what I like on top of mine. So this is just how I simply layered my salads, by putting the ranch dressing on the bottom and then going ahead with the lettuce next. Definitely you can also do taco salads in these mason jars. You can also do like a bean burrito one. There's plenty of different recipes that you guys can put into mason jars. I found this recipe and how to do this on Pinterest, and I wanted to try it myself, and here I am doing it. So I stuffed a good amount of lettuce down in there to match with the ranch, and then I'm going to make sure that I match it with the tomatoes, the cheese, the mini cucumbers, and the carrots. I want everything to be equal and not more of one thing than the other. In these mason jars, because it has the lid and the screw on top, you guys can shake these to make the ranch dressing mix up with everything, and then it will be ready to be served. So this is just simply how I got everything planned and prepared, and these can go into the refrigerator for up to a week, so that is a great thing. Definitely love making these on Sundays to help myself get ready for the week. You also can put salads in these little jars, like pasta salads. You also can add other things in these jars to take for work as well. And so this is where I'm starting off with, is the salads. I definitely will show more of the mason jar food preparations in the near future, but I hope that you guys are enjoying this salad that I'm making at home. You guys can make it at home too, and this will definitely make a really great lunch, as a lot of people only have a limited time for lunch nowadays, and it's a really great thing that you can make things ahead.